Hello, what is up everyone? It's Tuesday and you know what that means? It's now time for another BMX Bold Review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And whoo, ang init! Tingnan gabi na, umiinit ako. Okay, so I'm right here at the middle of my work. Okay, nasa kalagitnaan ako ng trabaho ko. Yung kasama ko nag-SL at yung isa ko pang kasama is pa-Japan na. So, ah I'm left here all alone and I have nothing to do kasi maro-roll off na ako. So bago pa tayo mag-proceed sa review ng Barurot 2 Pasada or ano bang title nito? Barurot 2, life update muna tayo. Okay? So before any before anything else, paki-like na lang po yung video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Tabo Tuesdays only on Harriet. Okay, so uh Hawkeye Star Rail, pinasabog ko ang aking pondo for her Pearl and I eventually got Casteris. Nice. Enfield, meron akong Zhuang Fangye. Okay? Zenless Zone Zero, so inevitably, I'm not gonna get Promia on the first day. Siguro si Promia ay medyo last day na pull. And it's more likely na maybe I will wail for Promia. Okay? If I lose the 50. So it is what it is. Pero meron akong Sisia, meron akong Sid. Kakakuha ko lang kay Sid kanina. Wala, makati yung kamay ko eh. And then, the the in-anticipate natin is Wuthering Waves anniversary. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back. Maybe I'll try to get the anniversary rewards to get Hiyuki because kung tutuusin, guaranteed ako. Okay? So, we'll see. And then, uh, what else? Uh, I guess the log in yung anniversary kay Zenless, hindi pa mag ano yung Zenless eh, no? Di pa mag-anniversary si 2.8 so wala akong ano. So, kung mag-drop ang 5K, 80, that good for 5 pulls lang yan. Ah, well, this is what it is. Siguro naman, kaya ng, ano, isang patch. Makuha ko si Promia. We'll see. It's the challenge. It's the great challenge. Then we're going to go for Neverness to Everness. Wala na 50-50 doon, so masaya tayo dyan. I like the fact na walang 50-50 doon. And I'm still contemplating if I'm going to pull for Nanali or not. So si Nanali daw yung malakas na unit sa Neverness to Everness. So I don't know. Hotohori is coming May 13. I might be willing to pull for Hotohori instead. Pero I wanna know. My selector is really fixated to Jing Yuan. Yung, hindi si Jing Yuan ng Honkai Star Rail Ju Yuan, which is yung kamukha ni Jade. Kaya rin si Jade sa Honkai Star Rail, di ba? Yeah, yun yung ano, kukunin ko sa selector. Mas initially Baishang, pero sabi daw mahirap daw siyang kontrolin, so, ayun. And yeah, that's my gotcha updates. Uh, Wait a second. I will next that I'm going to talk about is ano yun? Uh Work. Okay, so by April 30, 2026, I will be rolled up from my current project and with the looks of it, mukhang mababangko ako sa May 1. But since bangko na ako sa May 1, it'll be a forced holiday for me. So, by Monday, I am going to be benched. So, May 1, tuloy pa rin tayo. It's a Labor Day special. We are going to review, check in by Alia Raimundo. Tuloy pa rin yun. And then next week, bench means I'm going to be on the morning shift now. So more likely my bold reviews. So starting from Pasacalye will be at the morning na if I'm still bench. So expect like an 8 a.m. or a 10 a.m. release rather than the usual 2 a.m., 3 a.m. release since morning shift na ako. And that would be the duration of my uploads until I get a project na night shift. Okay. Anything else, let's go to Barurut Dos. The reason why I yap for like 6 minutes is because Barurut Dos is a simple movie. It's a simple movie about Margaret Diaz's character na si pangalan niya Mia. Yeah, Maya and Raph, which is who is Ariel Carmelo's character. So sobrang simple. I could just summarize it in like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? So si Ariel Carmelo, si Raph, may gusto siya kay Maya. Ah. Si Maya gusto pumuntang Korea, kaya nag-decide siya na maging palandaliang aliw. So, ayoko ma-demonetize kaya yun. So, si Rap kasi medyo nerdy yung kanyang physique. Nakasalamin, ah medyo mahiyain, okay? At siya ay parang laughing stock. And then we meet the Barurot King himself, si JC Tan. Okay, so si JC Tan, si Marco. I don't know if that's the same character as the last one kasi nakakalito eh. So, we get some flashbacks umano ng mga naging purse ni Marco sa kanyang career as the Barurot King. So, kasama dito ay hindi mga pinangalalang mga babae who I assume is Victoria Nash and Joanna Maui. Okay? Yun. So, take it with a grain of salt mga pare. So, yun yung masasabi ko na ano. I bet si Joanna Maui yung estudyante tapos si Victoria Nash yung naka-asul na bra. Okay. So we get two sex scenes indifferent dun. So Rap took the advice of the Barurut King. He as niligawan niya si Maya. So si Maya nagputa, okay? She became a GRO, a panandaliang aliw sa bar kahit ayaw niya. And then siya ay parang sinexualize ng mga audience. Pero sa huli, andun yung tricycle driver na si Rap, yun, mga tricycle driver to, kaya nga barurot na nandyan sa kanya, and they had sex. Lots and lots of sex scenes. Okay. So parang yung relationship nila medyo sweet naman, ayun, then the movie ends with a sex scene. Hindi ko alam kung nag-Korea sila o hindi, or something, pero nagtapos yung istorya na malakas yung pamilya niya. Malakas yung pamilya, malakas yung relationship nung dalawa. Ang paborito kong sex scene dito is yung sa gabi, yung pinarada ni Rap, yung kanyang tricycle sa gilid, tapos nagkangkangan sila ni Maya. Okay. So, na-miss ko yung mga bold na movies during Tuesdays. Next week, di natin maranasan yun kasi pasakal eh. I think protektado si Angelica Hart dun sa kasi din si Esteban. Thumbs down. So, yun. I think I'm gonna need a new category under protected Diva Max reviews. So, let's go now to the tier list. Just check in sa Labor Day. Mag-check in daw tayo. Okay. Let's see. Uh, tier list. Barurot. Uh, Smackbang in the mid category. Nothing special for me. It's just a it's just a it's just a mid movie. Okay. So that's my review of Barurot Dos. Thank you for watching. Peace out.